stop scraping your grill the hard way. Because if your grill brush looks like this, you're wasting time and risking your food. Today I'm testing a grill brush that claims effortless cleaning. Let's see if it's actually worth the upgrade. What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you grill even once a week, this is one of those tools that can make or break your entire cooking experience. Burnt and residue, weak brushes, wires falling out. We've all been there. Right out of the box, this doesn't feel like a cheap grill brush. The wooden handle instantly gives it a premium feel, solid, ergonomic, and comfortable in the hand. No flimsy plastic here. These stainless steel bristles are tightly wound and reinforced, which is huge, because the last thing you want is loose wires ending up in your food. Alright, this grill hasn't been cleaned since the last cookout burnt in grease, carbon buildup, the real test. Now look at this. 1 or 2 passes and the residue just comes right off. No excessive pressure, no awkward angles. This thing works every angle of the grate. This brush is 17 inches long, and that's the sweet spot. It's long enough to keep your hands away from the heat, but short enough to stay controlled. You can use both hands with minimal effort. Shorter brushes take way more work, and longer ones just feel awkward. And it's safe for porcelain, ceramic, infrared, Weber, charbroil, pretty much any grill setup. It cleans aggressively without damaging your grates. So who is this for? If you grill regularly, this is a no-brainer. And honestly, this makes a perfect gift idea. Father's Day, birthdays, housewarmings, it's one of those tools people don't upgrade until they try a good one. So, the final verdict. If you're tired of weak brushes, messy wire handles, or spending way too much time cleaning your grill, this is a serious upgrade. Premium design, premium quality, and it actually delivers on effortless cleaning. Thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. I really hope this video helped you out. If you want to dive deeper into the specs, check out that link below. I've also picked out another video I think you'll love, which you can find right over here in the corner. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button and subscribe to join the community. I love hearing from you guys, so drop a comment and let's chat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.